Hello, love, and welcome. I'm so glad you are here. What I share is not about motivation or quick fixes, it's about precision, presence, power. And today, I want to give you a simple but deeply effective tool. One you can use anytime you feel anxiety building up inside. It's nothing about meditation. It's a neurological rewire that can happen just in few minutes. So take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. And let's begin. You may close your eyes if you like, unless you're driving, and bring to mind a specific event that's making you feel anxious. It's not a general feeling, but something specific. Maybe it's a conversation you need to have, a deadline, a performance, or a decision. Got it? Good. Now, I want you to imagine your personal timeline. It might look like a line stretching in front of you or behind you, or it might feel like a spiral, a ribbon, a path. Everything is the right way, like how you see it. Just allow your imagination to really see it. Now, see where is the past on your timeline, where is the now, where is the future, and also see the specific event that's triggering your anxiety somewhere on your timeline. And ask yourself a question: what exactly am I anxious about? And be very specific. Is it the outcome that keeps me anxious, someone's reaction, or anything else? Just name it clearly. Now, gently float up above your timeline as if you're rising up in the air and you're looking down on your timeline. You see your past, you see now, the future, and you see that event that keeps you anxious. And now, float forward in your mind, out above the future to a moment 15 minutes after the successful completion of that very event. That's right. It's already over. It went well. Maybe even better than you expected. And you are on the other side of it, feeling safe, clear, grounded. And from that place, that version of you turns and looks back toward now, back along the timeline. And I want you to ask yourself, where is the anxiety now? If it's gone, beautiful. If there is still some left, ask, am I imagining it going wrong? If yes, shift it. Replay the movie. Make the successful outcome. Feel it completing well. Then float back again 15 minutes after the success. And again, look back. Now come back to now moment. Return to your body, to this specific moment, and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now do the test. Bring to mind that event again. Notice what used to make you feel anxious now feels neutral, maybe even empowering. That's your nervous system learning safety. That's your brain recoding the future. This is just a glimpse of what becomes possible when you know how to work with time, emotion, and perception. If this was powerful for you, imagine what happens when we go even deeper. And welcome again to this space, this frequency, this work, and I'll see you soon.